Hello traders, welcome to yet another video powered by Dhan, India's most advanced trading platform. In yesterday's video, we told that markets are likely to go down or there is loss of momentum, right? That is clearly evident today in today's price action. See, lots of negativity or lots of, if you see the data, lots of things are showing that the markets may go down, whether it is open interest or futures premium discount. We'll see one by one. Before that, please do remember tomorrow night around 11:30, US Federal Reserve Jerome Powell will come out with interest rate decision. We really don't know. Of course, they are going to increase the interest rate, whether it is 25 basis point, 50 basis point, or a full 100 basis point or 1%. We really don't know that. As of now, it is 1.75%. Whether they are going to make it 2%, 2.25%, or maybe even 2.75%, we really don't know that, right? So markets are likely to be volatile tomorrow. So in case if you are concerned about market being volatile or big gap ups or gap down, tomorrow is the last day. You can square off your position if you want. If you can manage the position, of course you can go ahead and carry forward the position. But if you are really like you can carry a very light position, right? In case you think markets may gap up or gap down. But what I personally feel is that everything is being factored in. Now, tomorrow night, we don't know what is going to happen in the US. But what is happening now is 16,500. If you see Nifty, 16,500, I was expecting markets may not go below 16,500, which is already gone. Right, there was aggressive, and still there are puts being written at 16,500. Around 80 lakh open interest contracts are still pending at 16,500 strike put option, I am saying. At the same time, 16,600 is also having around 8 lakh contracts open contracts still pending at 16,600 call option. So might be it will close between 16,500 or 16,600. But still, when it comes to binary event, there may things may not this open interest we may not follow this open interest, or price action will not follow this open interest. So that's why I am cautioning you, be careful. In case you are kind of skeptical or you don't want to take risk, better square off your positions tomorrow and have a sound sleep, right? So that's what I'm saying. So today I thought 16,500 will be held. It's gone below 16,500 and in fact closed somewhere around 464. None of the stocks, whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, none was performing. Axis Bank was a star. Like Axis Bank was losing much. It lost more than 2.87%. Kotak Mahindra, Federal Bank, IndusInd Bank, Bandhan Bank were all down by more than 1%. The bank in the banking pack, whole banking pack, only bank which was performing was Bank of Baroda, which was up by 1.15%. And if you see the Nifty is also same. All the stocks in Nifty, not a single stock. I think few stocks in Nifty was marginally in the green or it was flat. JSW Steel was up by 2%. Apart from that, all the things which in Bank Nifty pack was very much in the red, and Wipro IT sector was dragging the market like anything. That's because I think Indian rupees have appreciated significantly. I think USD INR is now around 79.80, somewhere around there. So keeping all this in mind, it is better you trade safely. And as I was talking about this Nifty Bank futures is trading at a discount of 80 rupees. Only 2 more trading session for expiry. Look at the discount at which it is trading. So that's why you have to be very careful whether you want to go take positions or not. And Nifty is also trading at a steep discount. Nifty future is also trading at a not steep discount, around 4. Bank Nifty is worst, right? So things may change or things may not change. We really don't know. We'll have to wait how things pan out. So I'm just cautioning you, be careful before the FOMC meeting, right? And if you see the FII data, FIIs as usual, I think we have talked about these FIIs before 2 or 3 days, not 2 or 3 days, before 1 week I have told about this, that maybe these FIIs are trapping us. So 2 or 3 days they have bought for around 2000 on an average they have bought for around 1800 to 1500 crores. Now they have started selling and it's around 1548 crores and DIIs have bought for 999 crores. So be careful. As I told you, as we discussed, this may be a trap, and FIAs, market movers, smart money can trap you. So just be cautious and trade wisely. And of course, this is the last week of July expiry, 2 more trading sessions. And India VIX is also showing that markets are likely to be volatile. India VIX, I think, shot up by 2% today alone. So keeping all this in mind, it is better you trade carefully and you trade light. Don't take heavy position. In fact, our mentees who follow us on our application, in spite of making good money, I told them to exit today itself because I don't want to put them in risk. And as I talk to you, US futures are kind of in the red, I think. Dow Jones, Nasdaq, everything is in the red. I think only European market, that too FTSE is only in the green. Apart from that, France and German is also in the red. So it is advisable, as I talk to you, this is the US market, US future. Dow Jones is down by 147, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is down. S&P VIX is up by 1.85%. So as I told you, it's up to you really whether if you want to go long or if you want to take your trade home or not for the expiry, right? So let's see how things pan out. Even I had 16,500 put options return. So it gave some headache today. Anyway, we have managed. We will see how things go tomorrow. We'll see. I have shorted the market. I have sold call options, heavy call options. And that's what the open interest is also showing, right? So literally people have written call options today. Even they have written 16,500, 16,600, all the way to 17,000 they have written call option. At the same time, put option is also, they have not written any put option today, but 16,500 put option and call option has the highest open interest. So that simply means that people are writing short straddles at 16,500. Who knows, maybe I am wrong. Maybe people may think that market may be sideways and range bound. And in Bank Nifty, 36,500 short straddle is being written. As per open interest, 37,000 is having the highest call option. So we can consider that as a resistance, and 36,000 is having the highest open interest among put option. So that can be considered as a support, right? So I think I have summarized everything. Trade carefully. Don't take a heavy position. Take light position. And let's see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized all the necessary things. Take care. Bye.